Hello everyone and welcome to Magicdecor, where everyday spaces are turned into extraordinary places. You all know me. I am Anushaya, your host and your creative guide on this journey. So let's sprinkle a little bit of magic into your home decor. So today, first time ever, we have a mom vlogger with us today. Not just a mom vlogger, but a lifestyle vlogger as well. So hi Sulata, how are you?
I'm good.
Actually, thank you so much for being a part of this journey. So before starting off with the session, we would like to know a little bit about you. Could you please brief our audience about yourself?
Yeah, sure. So my name is Sulata Mitra and I'm a lifestyle content creator, and my niche are parenting, lifestyle, travel, and of course, interior decorator. So interior is one of my favorite thing, not professionally, personally too. And so here I am with you guys.
Okay, so Sulata, we would like to know, were you into content creating since the beginning, or if you started it later, why did you think of choosing this as a profession?
Oh, it's a long story. Definitely, I have done my MBA, and after that, I was working with one of the corporate sector MNC, Microsoft partner, and I was in marketing. But destiny takes me here, and I have started my own company now as an influencer company, and I'm doing full-time influencer. And I'm the top influencer in Bangalore and top 100 in India.
That's really good to know. So now moving on, as you said that home decor is also one of the categories that you're choosing, right? So how did you think of adding wallpapers in your home? Like, it could be anything when it comes to decor items. What made you think of going ahead with wallpaper?
So I always love to make it minimalist in my interior. I want to add certain thing which I will not bore for a long time.
Right.
And as you say, my house is like very natural, give you natural feelings. So I chose this wallpaper because of the design, because nature design inspired a lot. And when I saw this, I can't wait to order this. Like, this suits a lot in my house and gives also the very rich feeling. With the same time, a very nature-oriented look.
Right.
That gives a very soothe feelings, and definitely I got a lot of compliments.
Definitely, it does look good and it complements your space, of course. So now that you are a social media influencer also, there would have been multiple brands that you would have gone through while choosing a brand for collaboration, right? So why did you hop on with Magicdecor to go ahead with the collaboration?
So the trust factor. I have seen the followers range, I have seen the people that you have already worked with, and of course I researched a bit with my own, and my team said that yes, they are the right trustworthy company. And as a normal person also, I try to order it online, and the process and everything together, I feel it's the right person, right company to collaborate with.
Lovely, that's really good to know. So now that we see this wallpaper is finally installed, it looks lovely. We can understand that you like subtle tones, right? Then how did you think of tropical design basically? So it could have been abstract or anything else. So let us know a little bit about your own style.
All right, so as I told you, when I have made the reel for this, I told on the same time that I'm a very nature-oriented person and I love sustainable things. And the best, if I can add more and more trees, if you can see a lot of trees in my house, that gives a very positive vibes. And I got this with the trees, and that's gives a minimalistic look also, and that gives a very nature oriented. Like, if you can see that a lot of things that I've added in my house that is sustainable, like wood and stones.
Right.
So the trees and this design which is nature oriented, that attract me a lot, and I think on the same time it gives me a very rich look.
Right.
So altogether, this is
Yeah. So I would personally like to know, why did you think of going ahead with grey tone? Because this is something which people think, but they're very unsure if it would look good in their room or not, right?
Yes.
So how did you visualize everything?
Okay, so this tone I have chosen because I always like a white and black, and as I told you that wood a lot of things that you have seen that wooden interior in my house. So I felt if I choose very natural color, I can play around with a lot of different things.
Correct.
So that is one of the thing, and also colors maybe I can bored with sometimes, like, you know, I cannot give a different furnitures and all. I cannot play with the different furnitures. If I do it a red color, then I have to keep in mind which color of sofa I have to keep it here.
Correct.
So that is the thing. And then with a very natural color, I can use any kind of a furniture, any kind of a carpet. So that's again an idea. And as I told you, that this will never give me a bored vibe. So that's again a thing. And anytime, any party or any season, any festival, this will go.
Definitely, it will go because it is actually looking very subtle and very nice for sure. So, what do you think? How was our installation process? The whole process?
That's so good. Honestly, not because I'm here, but that is one of the thing which I love. And when my friend called me and said how much time it will take, I don't ask me. They just came and they said that, ma'am, I need a bucket. And I said, anything else? No, that's it. And it's just an hour. They're done with this. So they're so quick. I don't have to move my furniture here and there. They have done everything by their own, and it's so subtle process. No here and there things, and nothing. It's so easy going. So that's one of the thing I must tell you. That's an amazing experience.
So basically, there was no mess or hassle around during installation.
Nothing.
Got it.
Good.
So let us know, what do you think, how was your initial reaction now that you already visualized that this wallpaper is what you want to go ahead with? After the wallpaper got finally installed, what was your initial reaction?
Oh, so that, of course, I visualized this as it comes in my house. But after after the finishing, I was like checking out for 10 minutes, like, wow, this gives me so rich vibes. And this is something which I feel give my house more compliment.
Correct.
So I loved it. And when my husband came from the office, said, wow, this is something, is really, you have done amazing job. So your choice is good. And I thanks to you guys.
We are really glad that we could provide what you expected, right? So how was your overall experience about collaboration with Magicdecor?
Of course, good, because my reel got a great views, and you guys are here again. So that
Definitely
makes that's called that, yeah, that we guys are good with each other. Right, yeah. So collaboration was really good.
Yeah, so we can expect you to reach out to us in the future also, and definitely we can also reach out to you. So we can expect that you will think of Magicdecor in future.
Yes, of course. So there are few things which is in my mind, and hopefully I will take new flat, a bigger one,
Yeah.
where I want Magicdecor to come and give me more nice designs, and I can make the wall as lively as possible.
Definitely, we'll be happy to assist you, and we'll be happy to be there in your new flat also. So, Sulata, thank you so much for joining us today, and it was a very insightful conversation. Just let our audience know a little bit about where they can find you and how they can follow you. Just share it.
Yeah,
about
sure.
yourself.
So you can find me in Instagram, Mommy and Vihan, the page name, and also in the same name with Facebook. And thank you, that I'm really glad that you guys are in Bangalore.
Yeah.
And
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for being a part of Magicdecor again. And don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. And please do follow us on Instagram also. And do follow Sulata Mitra also on Instagram. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
bye-bye.